Fact 1: The Moon was born from a giant collision around 4.5 billion years ago. The young Earth was struck by a Mars-sized planet called Theia. The impact was so violent that molten rock and vaporized material were blasted into space. Over time, this debris began to orbit Earth, slowly clumping together until it formed the Moon. This is known as the giant impact hypothesis, and it explains why lunar rocks collected by Apollo missions share nearly the same chemical makeup as Earth's crust. So, in a sense, the Moon is part of Earth, our ancient twin born from cosmic destruction. Without that collision, the planet we know today would be completely different. Crescent Moon. Fact 2: The Moon is drifting away from Earth every year. The Moon is moving away from us at a rate of 3.8 centimeters per year. This happens because of the gravitational tug-of-war between Earth and the Moon. The Moon's gravity creates ocean tides, which slightly slow Earth's rotation and push the Moon outward. Hundreds of millions of years ago, the Moon looked much larger in the sky and days on Earth were shorter, about 18 hours long. In the far future, total solar eclipses will disappear entirely because the Moon will be too far away to perfectly cover the Sun. Crescent Moon. Fact 3: The Moon has real moonquakes. The Moon isn't as dead and quiet as it looks. Scientists discovered that it experiences moonquakes, vibrations of the lunar crust caused by tidal stress from Earth, meteor impacts, and massive temperature shifts between day and night. Some moonquakes are so powerful they last for up to 10 minutes, making the surface shake like a bell. During the Apollo missions, seismometers left on the surface detected these quakes, proof that the Moon is still geologically active beneath its surface. Quarter Moon. Fact 4: The far side of the Moon isn't dark at all. People often call it the dark side of the Moon, but that's a myth. It's called the far side because it always faces away from Earth. The Moon spins at exactly the same rate it orbits our planet, a phenomenon called tidal locking, so we only ever see one hemisphere. The far side receives just as much sunlight as the side we see, and spacecraft have revealed that it looks very different, covered in deep craters and fewer flat plains. In 2019, China's Chang'e 4 became the first mission to land there, showing us this mysterious hidden world. Waxing Moon. Fact 5: The Moon has no atmosphere, but a trace of exosphere. The Moon doesn't have an atmosphere like Earth's. There's no air to breathe or protect it from radiation. But it does have a very thin layer of gases called an exosphere, made of helium, sodium, and trace hydrogen. Because there's no wind or weather, footprints from Apollo astronauts may last millions of years, a permanent record of humanity's first steps on another world. This also means the sky on the Moon is always pitch black, even when the sun is shining. Full Moon. Fact 6: The Moon keeps Earth stable. The Moon's gravitational pull helps keep Earth's axial tilt steady at about 23.5 degrees. Without the Moon, Earth's tilt would wobble chaotically over time, causing extreme climate swings, violent weather, and even making life on Earth unpredictable. It also slows Earth's rotation, turning what could have been a 6-hour day into our comfortable 24-hour cycle. In short, the Moon doesn't just light up our night sky, it makes our world livable. Quarter Moon. Fact 7: The Moon contains hidden water ice. For decades, scientists believed the Moon was completely dry. But modern missions have revealed frozen water trapped in shadowed craters near the lunar poles, where sunlight never reaches and temperatures stay below -200 degrees Celsius. These icy deposits could one day provide astronauts with drinking water, breathable oxygen, and even rocket fuel made from hydrogen. This discovery has completely changed how we view the Moon, not as a dead rock, but as a valuable resource for future space exploration. Waning Moon. Fact 8: The Moon has extreme temperatures with no atmosphere to trap heat. the Moon's surface experiences extreme temperature swings. During the lunar day, sunlight heats the surface up to 127 degrees Celsius, 260 degrees Fahrenheit, while at night it plunges to minus 173 degrees Celsius, minus 280 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a difference of over 400 degrees Celsius in just one day-night cycle. This makes building habitats extremely challenging for future astronauts, who will need technology that can withstand both fire and ice. Crescent Moon. Fact 9. The Moon's shape is not perfectly round. Although it looks round from Earth, the Moon is slightly egg-shaped, with the larger end pointing toward our planet. Billions of years of Earth's gravity stretched it into this shape. The side facing us is smoother and lighter, while the far side is rougher and more mountainous. This uneven distribution of mass affects how the Moon rotates and how spacecraft orbit around it. Full Moon. Fact 10. The Moon will be humanity's next home. NASA's Artemis program aims to return astronauts to the Moon by the mid-2020s. Unlike the Apollo missions, this time the goal is to stay, to build a permanent lunar base that will serve as a launch point for Mars and beyond. Private companies and international partners are already designing habitats, mining systems, and rovers. Within our lifetime, humans could live, work, and even grow food on the Moon. The Moon isn't just a relic of the past, it's the gateway to our future among the stars.